Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of dialysis. Ever wonder how dialysis works its magic to keep people healthy? Let's break it down. First off, dialysis is like a superhero for your kidneys. When your kidneys can't do their job of filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood, dialysis steps in to save the day. Think of it as an artificial kidney. There are two main types: hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Hemodialysis uses a machine to clean your blood. You go to a dialysis center where the blood is drawn out, filtered through a dialyzer, and then returned to your body. It usually takes about 4 hours and is done 3 times a week. On the other hand, peritoneal dialysis happens right in your belly. A special fluid is put into your abdomen through a catheter. This fluid absorbs the waste and then it's drained out. You can even do this at home, making it a flexible option for many. Now, does it sound a bit overwhelming? It can be at first, but with time, many patients find their groove and lead pretty normal lives. The goal of dialysis is to keep you feeling your best and as active as possible. So remember, dialysis is an incredible technology that helps millions of people stay healthy. If you or someone you know is on dialysis, know that you're not alone and there's a whole community out there for support. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay curious. Catch you in the next video.